Negative wing flex observed, stable throughout turn.
Engine 1 light off, ground, confirm rotation.
Roger, rotation confirmed, oil pressure is steady.
We apply the pre-preg material, ensuring the 45-degree bias weave aligns perfectly with the laser guides. Maintain a precise 2 Newton pressure with the tension tool.
Stand by for lift.
Roger, lifting. Weapons seated and locked.
Safety pins removing.
Confirmed.
Spirit 01, Whiteman Tower, cleared for takeoff, wind calm. Stabilized at 50 feet, making contact now.
Roger, hold steady.
Connected, fuel flow initiated, 600 gallons per minute.
Recommend FL 500 for radar avoidance. Total mission distance, 6,800 nautical miles.
$500, 400.
Approaching decision altitude. Negative wing flex observed, stable throughout turn.
Suspect 4, Henry Uniform 3 so far is normal. Sector 3 secure, all systems normal.
Low pressure system developing here. Expect turbulence. Jet stream at 120 knots from 280 degrees.
What is the icing potential at mission altitude?
It's minimal, detailed in the package.
We found a hydraulic seep on the main gear actuator.
Okay, get a sample and check the wear pattern. Write it up as a Cat B. Your sleep cycles look stable. Any issues with the medication?
No, doctor, all compliant.
Excellent. Be mindful of the high altitude physiology brief, especially the ascent profile. Based on the E-Lenti intercepts, we have a new threat ring here. The B-2 ingress route requires modification.
Defueling team, this is the panel operator. We are go for transfer at 500 gallons per minute. Quality check is clear.
Secure link established. Running bandwidth tests now. Voice check, ground station, do you copy? Emergency override engaged. Logging results.
Power setting steady at 90%, requesting reduction to idle.
Puffer 1, cleared to idle, complete post-shutdown checklist. Cartridge expiration, check. Deployment mechanisms, check. Oxygen levels nominal. Kit contents verified. Component swap complete. Let's review the ingress timeline.
At waypoint 3, you noted an anomaly. Affirmative. The navigation system showed a brief
Space Logistics, this is coordinator. The flight critical engine component is verified and ready for immediate transport. Requesting urgent pickup.
The data loaded successfully, generating the summary for the engineering team. There's a spike in engine performance at 0400Z that needs review.
Circuit continuity checks complete. Safe/arm verified. Indexing accurate. Uploading results for certification now.
Good correction on that last maneuver. Ensure you log the system failure at waypoint 3. We'll review the metrics during debrief.
Final acceptance complete, ma'am. The aircraft is ready.
Excellent work. Accepted on behalf of the Air Force.
1, gear down, stabilized on glide slope.
Cleared to land runway 19 right. Welcome home, Spirit 1.
For outstanding achievement while assigned to the B-2 Spirit Stealth Bomber Squadron. Captain B's precise execution.
The B-2 Spirit redefines strategic deterrence, combining unparalleled stealth with the ability.
Let's transition this data to the new conceptual model. The leading-edge sweep needs optimization based on the B-2's performance.
Data synchronization is successful. Reviewing the ingress route now. We have the final go signal. Execute mission as planned.
Vindicator 1-1, this is Scepter. Positive ID on target convoy, transmitting new grid now. Stand by for confirmation.
Copy that, Scepter. Receipt confirmed.
Roger, maintaining tracking.
Data synchronization is successful. Reviewing the ingress route now. We have the final go signal. Execute mission as planned.
Fueling complete. Get the hose clear now. Ordnance loaded. Confirm green.
Confirmed!
Clear to start engines.
Vindicator 1-1, this is Scepter. Positive ID on target convoy, transmitting new grid now. Stand by for confirmation.
Copy that, Scepter. Receipt confirmed.
Roger, maintaining tracking.
Acknowledging the ping. Adjusting course to 320 and climbing to flight level 340 to clear the cells.
Maintenance 1, we have a code 3 on ZM-12. Reroute Ground Crew 7 immediately. I need status updates every 5 minutes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Range is clear. Target acquired.
Safety, you are go for launch. Engine failure checklist, step 3, confirm utility hydraulic pressure stabilizing.
Pressure stabilizing. Opening crossfeed.
Roger that. Ground.
Target acquisition successful. Transmitting data linked to the B-2.
Acknowledged. Mission parameters adjusted. Confirmation received.
Talon flight, this is B-2 lead. Execute coordinated left bank, climb flight level 250. Push it up.
Target verified, Commander. Legal confirms ROE compliance.
Positive identification confirmed. Weapons free.
Strike confirmed, target neutralized. Transmitting PSA report now. Good hits across the board.
Component 7-2 replacement complete.
Confirmed. Log the entry.